This video illustrates how the credit for donations to an Ohio SGO affects a sample tax return. If you contribute to an Ohio SGO, you may be eligible for a non-refundable credit against your Ohio state income tax for the amount you contribute up to a maximum of $750 per taxpayer or $1,500 in the case of a married couple filing jointly. This make-believe family, Oxford and Loafer Shoemaker and their son Sneaker, live on Oxford's $75,000 salary from Famous Footwear. This is their only source of income, and their federal tax return reports $75,000 of wage income. If we take a look at Oxford's Form W-2, we note Ohio's state income tax withholding of $2,100 in box 17. Moving to the Ohio income tax return, Form IT-1040, we see it starts off with federal adjusted gross income of $75,000. Dependency exemptions for 3 people are deducted for a Ohio taxable income of $68,550. When we apply the Ohio tax rates to the taxable income of $68,550, we calculate a tax liability of $1,662. Both Oxford and Loafer contributed $750 apiece to an Ohio SGO for a total contribution of $1,500. We see this credit reported on the Ohio Schedule of Credits, line 15, Scholarship Donation Credit. This amount flows through to line 9 of the Ohio IT-1040. This brings their tax liability after non-refundable credits to $162. When the $2,100 of withholding is applied toward this liability, it produces a refund of $1,938. Now let's take a look at an example if Oxford and Loafer had not contributed to an Ohio SGO. All the numbers are same, except for line 9. Income tax liability before credits of $1,662 as before are not offset by any credits on line 9. Thus, tax liability after non-refundable credits is still $1,662. When the withholding of $2,100 is applied towards this tax liability, it produces a refund of $438. This amount is exactly $1,500 less than in the first example. A final point to keep in mind as you review your prior tax return to see if you can utilize this credit is to pay attention to line 10. Assuming your income numbers for this year are in line with last year, if line 10 on your prior tax return is $750, $1,500 if married filing jointly, this is the upper limit of what you can receive in credit by donating to an Ohio SGO. Line 10 cannot be made to go negative by a large credit on line 9. And thus, if it is less than $750 or $1,500, in the case of a married filing joint couple, that will be the upper limit rather than the larger $750 or $1,500.